everyone, how are you today? I'm going to show you how to increase the PHP memory limit on your WordPress website. So for you to do this, you need to have access to the control panel of your website or your hosting. So first you need to have the hosting credentials or the cPanel credentials. So this is how the cPanel looks like. This is for Namecheap hosting. So for you, if you don't know how to access cPanel, let me show you. So for example, if it's for me, my website, I'll just open it here and say this is the domain name for my website, usajimeri.dev. Then I type a /, then I put cPanel, and it loads. This is the login page for your cPanel. So you'll enter your username and your password here, and then you'll see something like this. They might not be the same because different hosting providers, they have a different format for cPanel. But these features, the file manager, images, most of the features here are the same or across all the cPanels. So you come here and look for file manager under files, something like this. So under on file manager, you click on file manager. So in my case, on my cPanel, I have a lot of websites, like different websites. I don't just host one website, but I want to increase PHP limit for my WordPress website, for my website portfolio. So it is called usajimeri.dev. So I'll click on this website. You see on the right, you have these features, and here you're gonna click on WP include. You double click on it to open it, and then you're gonna look for a file that is called default constant. So I'll scroll down here and you can see default constants.php. Right click on it and click edit. So it will open this window, and you have to scroll down and find this part here where it says WP memory limit, and this one here. So depending on the error you got on your website, you might want to increase this limit. For me, this memory works for me. Okay, so but you can put you can work with 128. Also here you can put 128, and then you come up here and click on save changes. Success, it has been saved. So I close this window, and that is how you increase PHP limit on your WordPress website. Let me know if you have any more questions. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.